stay home. I guess he didn't see the camera. Still his fault either way. The upside is, the camera got a sweet rental while his car gets fixed up.
Hello? Oh. Watch out,
Oh my God, are you okay? She waited so long just to pull out in front of the camera. Impeccable timing. Especially for what I would deem as the reverse suicide gap. I've never seen an idiot do that.
Are tied to an internet or an internet service provider or an electronic service provider, and they may have to submit those pictures as a cyber tip.
Right. And so we're not trying to perpetuate the problem. So
why did the camera drive on? I would have at least honked to let him know that he's going the wrong way. It could be a confused driver for all we know. I've come to learn to just get in one of the two right lanes in heavy traffic. It's not worth the stress of trying to get home 3 minutes faster.
Jesus fuck.
People ignore any and all rules in parking garages. I always see people entirely unafraid that they'll hit something going around a turn going 25 to 30 miles per hour. It's honestly unbelievable. The driver had previously cut the camera off and put the camera and biker in harm's way. The camera honked his horn to express himself, and then they brake checked him, so he threw his sandwich at their car. They then deliberately hit the camera's car and ran. They then got arrested and lied to the officer about what happened. I don't hear any audio on this clip, but this guy was clearly in a marked right-hand only turn lane and proceeded to cut the camera off mid-intersection. I think the camera had every right to lay on the horn in this situation had he done so. The insurance said that this camera was liable for this driver pulling into the right lane and then trying to do a U-turn in front of the camera. Can you believe that? All I can say about this is look, look, and then look again. The left car entered the intersection in the yellow, probably not wise to do so late into the signal, but the turning car doesn't have the right-of-way. This mentality is becoming more and more prevalent throughout society. Everyone wants instant gratification and to not be slowed or impeded in any way in any situation. The driver told her insurance that the camera got in her lane, but once the claims adjuster saw the footage, he accepted full liability.
He was a normal guy, alright. We have too much time.
He missed entering the right-hand merge lane, was in the left turn lane to get back onto the freeway, and swung right across 3 lanes of traffic out of the left-hand turn lane that you can't turn right from in order to correct his mistakes. What entertains me about this clip is the smooth turn straight into the parking spot by the white car. One wonders whether it was someone who is visiting from a country where they drive on the left. I noticed that their immediate reaction to seeing the camera car coming was pull to the left. Nothing worse than knowing you're about to be hit and unable to do anything about it. It's hard not to brace yourself. I'm glad that the camera was okay.
Haven't been there in a while.
They closed down.
Oh, not that mall. Salmon Pond.
Ooh, I like some of the malls.
We could go there. We could go to the Natick Mall. We could go. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Did that idiot actually honk at the camera as they were speeding away as well? The audacity. They didn't really offer an explanation, only an apology. My guess would be either cell phone use or looking and talking out the window with a friend. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.